ICP Algebra 1. This is Chapter 3, GLF, worksheet number 8. It says describe the error. Okay, let's see. We'll do the cover method first. So we're going to have 0, comma, blank, and blank, comma, 0. And we'll find the intercepts. Let's see. So if this is my x value. If I plug it in there, I get negative 4y times what number gives me negative 28? And that would be positive 7. So 0, comma, 7. Looks like our y-intercept, which is this answer. And then I'm going to plug this in for a y. So 7 times what number gives me 28? And that would be negative 4. So that would be my x-intercept. It's negative 4, 0. And I guess it looks like they made the error right here. They had that as a negative 7. It should have been a positive 7. Okay. I guess we have two number 1s on the same page, so you guys get a bonus. All right, so the x-intercept is going to be 0, comma, blank. Or y-intercept 0, comma, blank, excuse me. I'm just all over the place right now. Sorry, guys. So plug, that'll be 0. So 4 times what number gives me negative 8? That's negative 2. So negative 2, 0. Plug 0 in for the x. So negative y equals negative 8. So 0, 8. That's up there. And then if you wanted to find the slope, looks like you go up 8, right 2. So up 8, right 2, which would reduce to 4 over 1, or you could just have it as 4. All right, the x-intercept, we're going to have a 0 here. The y-intercept, we're going to have a 0 here, so it's always opposite. So that's the y value. So x equals 6. So 6, comma, 0 is right there. And then I'm going to plug 0 in for the x. So 3 times what number gives me 6? That would be 2. So 0, comma, 2. And our slope, it's going to go down 2, right 6. And it's negative because it went down. So that's negative 1/3 for a slope. Problem number 5. The x-intercept, there's going to be a 0 there. Y-intercept, 0 there. So that's a y value, so cover that up. So x equals 8. So 8 zeros over here. This is an x value. So negative 2 times what number gives you 8? And that would give you negative 4. And if you wanted to find the slope, you would go up 4, right 8. So up 4, right 8, or that would be 1/2. Number 7. So y equals negative 4. Y equals negative 4 is just going to be a line that looks like this. Oh, come on. So it's a horizontal line because it's y equals, which looks like that. This doesn't have an x-intercept. It has a y-intercept at 0, negative 4. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. If it's a vertical line, it's undefined. Number 9, the x-intercept, we're going to go have a 0 in there. Y-intercept, I have a 0 in for the x. So this is a y value. So 3 times what number gives you negative 30? That's negative 10. And then plug a 0 in for the x. So 5 times what number gives you negative 30? And that's negative 6. So you would go down 6, which is negative, right 10, reduce that, which is negative 3 over 5. Okay. Looks like I have a word problem about me. At lunch, Mr. Stirrup ordered 3 sandwiches and 5 bags of chips for his office mate. His bill came to $25.50. This is the equation that models up above. If the sandwich costs $6, how much does a bag of chips cost? All right, so I'm going to take my equation, and I'm going to go 3 times 6 rather than s, plus 5c, that's our chips, it's $25.50. So this is 18 plus 5c equals $25.50. Subtract 18 from both sides, so you get 5c is equal to $7.50. Divide each side by 5, so that's 1.5. Looks like the chips cost $1.50 each. Pretty cool. Just so you know, I did not order any sandwiches for my office mates, and please don't tell them. The perimeter of the rectangular garden is 96 feet. It can be modeled by 2L plus 2W equals 96. If the length of the garden is 40, what is the width? So this is the length. So if we plug it in for that, so I get 2 times 40 plus 2W equals 96, which is 80 plus 2W equals 96. Subtract 80 from both sides and divide by 2. So it looks like the width is 8 feet. And that's it.